guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with D. Myself Hariraj Malu, and today we will study about Python return statement. So first let's quickly create a variable a is equals to 10. So we are assigning a as value 10. Then create a while loop, which for creating a while loop we have to write while the condition you want to check and then till 9. Okay, so it will stop in the first condition, like a is not is equals to 10, false, then while loop will break automatically, it will not execute the line we written. So we have to write 10, then we have to write like a minus 10, or if I write nothing here, only print a, it will be a problem because it will be keep executing, because a 10 will never be decreted or minus. So then we have to write a minus 1 and then print a. As you can see, it is a very fast loop, so we have to kill the terminal, open the terminal again, and as you can see on my screen that terminal is there. So I told you, like while loop is it will keep executing, because in the last loop I've done a mistake that I have to write like this, not okay. So I have to write like this, then only 10 will be printed, or I have done a thing wrong, because in this terminal I have not created a variable name 10. Okay, name. So first we have to create a variable 10. So for that I will create a variable 10, then the loop, then I have unexpected indent. Now you will able to see there is only 10, because condition is only one time true, because in the loop we have written that a minus 10 at the last. So the loop will automatically deduct and this condition will be false and the while loop will be breaked. So we can use the break statement also here, but I have not teach that break statement. So in the next video or in the upcoming videos I will introduce to the break and continue statement. It is a very interesting topic. So this was all I wanted to share in this video. Till the next video, goodbye.